Looky, who wants to take a peek at the car? What's in there? Nothing. Okay, bye, gracias. Anyways, back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we got here today is a wireless solar powered camera. No wires needed on other than a solar panel wire, pretty much. That's it. But inside the box, we got a warning sign. The manual, who reads it, I'm not sure, let me know. And the solar panel itself is pretty tiny, but surprisingly it does keep the camera charged. You'll see. So the camera itself is pretty kind of bulky. The batteries are still, these yellow stickers are templates, so you just stick them and that's where your holes are gonna be at. Yeah, it comes with two cables, a bracket for the solar panel, and that's a bracket for the camera itself. The batteries are right there. Be careful not to make any holes in there. So the bracket goes in first, and it just clamps onto the camera, and really easy installation. But we are gonna power it up with a battery pack, so we're gonna try it out here first. So like I said, it does include a cable for you to be able to plug it in if you want to plug it in with via the actual household power, or if you want to use a solar panel, you could use a solar panel, but they do come with the two cables. Anyways, I plugged it in for 2 days, and for those 2 days it was cloudy, it was raining, and it was able to keep charged with cloudy. 2 days straight of cloudy. You'll see at the end of the video, it's daylight and it's fully charged. In the beginning, you see that it's cloudy. You can tell in the beginning of the video with the person looking at the car. Anyways, it does have a little bit of a lag. It's not that bad, but it's like I would say it's a bit of a 1 second lag that it has. It does say keep the 60% strength signal above, 70 and above if you want to get good quality. It is good on detecting people. You get the notifications right away and a recording of 20 seconds or your preference. Link in the description down below if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.